Today we are in a unique project in Beylikdüzü, right near the marina. The project is Marmara 4. Construction company is known for its distinctive projects in terms of finishes and white gardens. Finishes in this project will be brilliant, spacious areas and stunning views. In addition, the construction company is also known for delivering the project within the determined dates. We are now in Spartakole district, one of the most important areas in Istanbul. Very promising and nice area. The construction company built 7 phases in this region. Actually, they established a full neighborhood. Metro will be available soon in the area. It includes a number of distinctive projects. Right behind me you can see Bizim Evler 6 project, one of the projects built by the same construction company, İhlas Holding. It includes 1,100 apartments. Of course, there are other projects built by the same construction company. Projects in Beylikdüzü and other areas outside Istanbul. One of these projects is currently under construction, Marmara 4 project, which we will see together now. The first thing we have to talk about in this project is shops. There are 44 shops in this project. Very large spaces, starting from 190 square meters up to approximately 500 square meters. The height of the external facade is 7.5 meters. The inner net height is 6 meters. The thing that led to create what is known as asmakat, hanging floor on half of the shop area. We have also an underground bedroom. Shops are very distinctive and suitable for cafes, restaurants or very large stores. I hope everyone who wants to own a shop in Istanbul to come and see these amazing shops. I am now in the land of the project. As you can see, most of the buildings are completed. Soon the process of interior and exterior finishing of the project will start. The project's land area is 35,000 square meters. More than 50% are green areas. The available apartment options are from 2+1 up to 4+1. We don't have 1+1. Hence, the project is for family. The project views are very beautiful. Most apartments enjoy views on the parks. Some of the apartments have views on the Marmara Sea, which is only 2 kilometers away from this project. In addition, the marina with its amazing cafes, restaurants is only 2 kilometers away. The Metrobus area is very close to the project. Transportation is easily available for the project. By bus, we can even get to the city center of Yeni Bosna, from which we can use the metro to get to the old city center. In a nutshell, the project is particularly well suited for the family. There are very close to universities like the University of Beykent. We have hospitals in Beylikdüzü, such as Medikane, Medipol and other hospitals. Schools are also well available in this area, meaning that the area is fully served, and there are some under construction projects as well. In general, prices are affordable compared to other projects. The title deed of the project is ready, thus you can apply for citizenship. The project includes special services such as swimming pool, days for men and days for women. There is no outdoor swimming pool. We have also gym for men and another for women, sauna, Turkish bath, and many other services are also available. Let's not forget the 24-hour security protection. Here is a typical 4+1 apartment. Its area is more than 200 square meters. Its net area is about 146 meters. Here we can see this door with its accessories. And here we have a screen for contacting the management of the complex. And it's connected to a camera to see people coming for visiting, or even seeing children playing in the garden as well. These closets in the wall as well, delivered in this way with these mirrors. Their design is beautiful. The living room has an area of 32 square meters. A good area for 4+1 apartment. Flooring is parquet. The ceiling is delivered in this way, and we have a gypsum board as well. For lighting, you can customize it the way you like. Chandeliers and furniture are not delivered. In addition, curtains are also not available. We have a balcony with an area of approximately 12 meters. What distinguishes the project is that most of the apartments include balconies, or maybe all. A very good area. It has an entrance from the living room and another from the kitchen, which we will see shortly. And here is the kitchen with an area of approximately 13.5 square meters. As you can see, there are cabinets on the right and left. Some electrical appliances are delivered, or maybe many of them. The fridge is not delivered. The kitchen hood is delivered, the stove, in addition the dishwasher as well. The oven with microwave, a Franke brand, a famous German brand. Of course, we have these cabinets like this, an auto stop, and these drawers. The wooden decoration on the wall is not delivered. Table and chairs as well. Flooring is ceramic resembling marble. That's all for the kitchen. Here is the living room. Its area is about 30 meters. Near the entrance door of the apartment. Of course, flooring is parquet. You can place plants or plant basin for decoration. And here is one of the bedrooms with an area of 10.5 meters. It could be a children's room or young men room. Here is the bathroom. Its area is approximately 4.5 meters. Here we have closets in the wall, available of course. You can put sheets in it, in addition to the washing machine and dryer. And here is our last children's room, with an area of 10.5 meters. A children bedroom area. The decor you see is only for show. It gives us an idea of the furniture. The apartment is generally delivered without the decor. Flooring is parquet here. The ceiling and walls come with paint. Here is a parent's bedroom with an area of approximately 20 square meters, a wide area. As you can notice, they furnish it in a comfortable way. In addition to this 20 meters, the 4.5 meters is for a dressing room. The floor is parquet here as well. The furniture you see is not delivered, of course. There is also a bathroom for parents, with an area of 4.5 meters. All accessories are delivered except these towels, of course. And that's all for the typical apartment for today. Finally, you saw the excellence of the construction company, the projects they delivered, as well as the typical excellent apartment finishes. If you like the project, contact us on the number shown on the screen, or you can visit our website on the internet, imtilak.net. You will see that Imtilak's specialized real estate team is always ready to answer your inquiries. See you soon.